Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and non subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use the teleprompter on your CapCut. Alright, for those of you that did not know the meaning of teleprompter, a teleprompter is just a device or a software that displays a script or text on a screen, so allowing the speaker or the presenter to read from it while maintaining eye contact with the audience. Alright, whatever thing you want to say, you have to write the script out. All you just need to do is to copy it and paste it on your teleprompter, and from there you'll be reading it while you maintain a eyes contact, that eyes contact to your audience. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Now let me give you an example. Just go back to your CapCut. Now under this CapCut, you go over to all tools. Now under this all tools, you're going to see teleprompter. Can you see? Select teleprompter. Now immediately you select teleprompter, you're going to see this one, you're going to see this one, you're going to see this one. Now come over to this one here. Now this is where you're going to paste all your text. Alright, everything that you want to tell your audience, this is where you're going to paste it. I hope you understand. Now this is where you're going to paste it. So once you paste it, you're going to go over to apply. Good. Immediately you apply it, you're going to see the text on it. Can you see? Now come over to these settings. Now here, this is where you increase the speed. Can you see? If you want it to be very fast, but me, I normally leave it at 12 or 10. With this, I'll be able to say whatever I want to say before it scroll. If you increase it to be very speed, can you see the speed? Now I need to leave it at 12. Right, now you can change the font size. Understand? For those of you that have eyesight issue, you can change the font size, and you can also change the color. You understand? You can also change the color. So let's leave it like that. Now let's go back. Now good. Now this is it. So once you are done with that necessary settings, all you just need to do, if this thing is more than 15 seconds, make sure you select 60 seconds. I hope you understand. If it's more than 60 seconds, select 3 minutes plus. So depending on how you want you to use it to do. Alright, if you want to record a multiple clips, this is where you're going to do. But if you want to record a one shot, you're going to come over here. You understand? You're going to come over here. So this is how to use teleprompter. Now if you want to use it, you just need to do is to place your phone somewhere. As you can see where I am is very dark. I'm just doing this as an example, and you're going to select play. Reminder to SSF students: tonight 6-hour prayer drill starts at 10 p.m. sharp. Please let's gather in church before 10 p.m. Just go over to edit. It will take you directly to CapCut's thing. So from here you can now edit whatever you want to edit. Most especially, you need to maintain that eye contact. You don't need to be moving your head, moving your eyes from here to there. You understand? Just maintain it and it will look sharp. I hope you understand. So this is how to use teleprompter in our CapCut. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, click on the post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.